Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to a brand new video on how to model a monitor in Blender, which is really quite easy. So without wasting any more time, let's start our today's video. First, add a cube and scale it to the shape of your monitor. Cool. Now go to edit mode and press Ctrl plus R to insert an edge loop. This looks good to me. Now select these faces and press E to extrude. Then select the front face with these small faces and extrude this out a little bit. Now go to edge select mode and move this edge a little bit along the Y axis. Do the same for this edge. Now select these 4 edges and move this down along the Z axis. Press Ctrl plus B to bevel. After that, select this front edge and grab it down a little bit. Well, this looks good to me. Now go to the back side of the monitor and insert 2 edge loops. Add another along the X axis somewhere over here. Now select this face. I think this should be a little bit thinner. Now press E to extrude the face. Press R 90 to rotate it by 90 degrees. Z to grab it down along the Z axis. Let's resize it. Cool, it looks good to me. Now go to object mode. For the stand, add a circle and reposition it. I think this is too large. Press S to scale it down. While selecting the circle, go to edit mode. Make sure you are in vertices select mode. Press A to select all the vertices. Then right click and select subdivide. Press E and S to extrude and scale the faces. Grab these vertices up along the Z axis. Then press E and S again. Extrude a little bit. Then grab this down. Well, now reposition the stand. Cool, looking awesome. Now go to edit mode. Select the edges and press Ctrl plus B to bevel. After that, let's create the screen. Select these front faces and press I to inset. Cool. Let's check if everything is perfect. Well, everything is. Now it's time to add some materials. Select the monitor and create a new material. Name it body. Add another and name it screen. Now go to edit mode. While selecting the screen faces, select the screen material and click on assign. Go to material view. Change the base color of the body material to something dark. Adjust the metallic and roughness. Now select the screen material and make it completely black. Decrease the roughness a little bit. I think the body shouldn't be black. Make it some kind of gray. Here you can see the differences. Oh yes, add the body material to the stand. Super cool. Now go to rendered view. Let's add some lighting to our scene. Oh, I forgot to add a logo to the monitor. Select this face. Press Shift plus D to duplicate the face. Notice that there is a problem over here. To fix it, grab it forward a little bit. Cool. Now create a material and name it logo. While selecting the face, press assign. Add an image texture to it. Select asus.png. You will find a link to the image in the description. You can see the image is not showing up. To fix it, go to UV editing. While selecting this face, hover your mouse pointer over here and press A to select all the vertices. Make sure to be in material preview mode. Now scale these to fit to your image. Cool. Now go to layout and resize the logo. Perfect. But there is one more problem yet. We want our logo's background to be transparent. As you can see, its background is currently black, which we don't want. To fix it, go to shading, connect the alpha of our image to this alpha. Then select the material and change the blend mode to alpha clip. You can see now the problem is fixed. This is what we want. I think it should be a little bit smaller. Now go to render view, enable the lights. Add a plane for our background. Grab it below our monitor. Scale it up. Go to edit mode. Select the edge that is behind our monitor. Extrude it along the Z axis. Select this edge, press Ctrl plus B to bevel. Use mouse wheel to increase the number of divisions. Right click and press Shade Smooth. Press Ctrl Alt 0 in your numpad to align the camera to view. Well, this looks good to me. You can put from any angle you want. I think we should add a few more lighting to our scene. Cool. One more thing, change the render engine to cycles. Change the device settings. Make sure PNG is selected as output file format. Check other settings. Okay, now we are ready to render. Here you can see there are some noises in our image. We have to fix that. Go to compositing, click use nodes. Add a new node named denoise. Add the viewer node. Make sure your backdrop is turned on. You can see now our image has no noise. Now let's render the image. And voila, here is our final output. So if you have watched the video till last, I hope you have already done modeling a monitor. If so, congratulations. So that's it for today. I will catch you guys next time. Goodbye.